Jamaica by Peter Gracey. This is Jamaica. This is my country. A son of this island. A daughter of this land. Fearless of fear. I stand in awe. Only love prevails. Secured in God's hands. This is Jamaica, where joy cometh in the morn, surrounded by mystic waters, crashing onto the shores, where only heroes are born. Only if you knew Jamaica as well as I do, you would utter, I love you, Jamaica. God knows I do. This is Jamaica, a simple speck in the universe. Our hearts beat and pulse in every nation, but only second to the kingdom of God. We put Jamaica first. I am Jamaican, regardless of where you may find me. Black, green and gold is the marrow in my bones. So if I die away from my island, I pray to God you'll take